What's good? It's Diggity Dom. We back here again with another video. About to do an unboxing video. I just ordered a Canon SL3. This is gonna be my first professional-ish camera. It's kind of expensive. I spent about $700 on this. So I got a package through Amazon. It was like a bundle with some lenses, a little tripod thing, some other stuff. We about to check it out. Let's hit it with the intro real quick, and let's get into this unboxing video.
My name is Dom, Diggity Dom, Dom, Diggity Dom, Dom, Diggity Dom, Diggity Dom, Dom, Diggity Dom, Dom, Diggity Dom.
Okay, bet. So, shout out to the dude that gave me this knife. I was doing pat downs, and he can't bring this inside, and he gave it to me. So, word. Good looks. I've never used a knife before, at least this one, but we're using it today. Alright. Easy. Okay.
Two hours later.
Alright. So we got a bag. Bust this open. Word. Okay. It says photo for less. Large gadget, waterproof material, bright interiors. Okay. Alright. Open this up. Not bad, not bad. And we got these little side pockets. Oh, this got zips on it. Okay. Alright. I can mess with that. We got the zips on this side. And we got a front pocket. It's not bad. Oh, we got the straps. Right. Okay. So here's the bag. There. Then we have 58mm 3-piece filter kit. Hope you can see it because if not, word. And it has a little case with it. So that's pretty dope. Keep these filters nice and protected. Okay, so there's 3 filters in here. This one looks pretty cool. Okay. Snap. Alright, what else we got in here? We have this thing, tulip lens hood. Huh. Not really sure what exactly this does. I know it goes on lens. I'm gonna figure it out. We're gonna learn. That's cool. We have this thing. This is a sleeve thing. I'm thinking maybe this gets the dust out of the camera. I'm not really sure though. So we got that. 32 gigabyte. Wait. I have a. I think this is a pen. I think this is a pen. Wait. Wow. It's like a cleaner. Got this though, I'm not really sure what it is. So we got this thing. Got a little cleaning cloth. Oh, a card reader. Cool. So this reads micro. Oh.
Micro SD. Wait, what? Oh shoot. Okay. So let's put in a whole bunch of different SD things in here. even the mic.
Oh, this is great. This right here, yeah, that's what I needed. Yep. So, shoot. This is wonderful. Okay. And then I have two, not one, but two 32 gigabyte SD cards. So that's pretty decent. That's gonna give me 64 gigs. What else we got in here? There's a remote control for the Canon. Oh, that's pretty dope. I didn't even know that this was coming in here. So maybe I could like take pictures with this, like. But it looks like, I wonder if this goes. It looks like this might go on the audio jack. But dope. That's cool. So remote control. So I'll show you real quick. Okay. Oh, and they provided instructions for the remote control. Can't read that. Read this side though. It's always handy dandy because some of this stuff I don't really know. I'm gonna figure it out. This is just like a gift box of stuff. We got a flash, universal flash. Okay, that's pretty dope. Like word. I might just take it out because so you can see like what's really in here. Okay, some instructions. So we got a little flashlight here. There's like different modes on it. Slab modes. Okay, alright. And that's the slide thing. So we should just do a little bit of that. Then, wow, there's mad stuff in here. Professional wide angle lens with macro. That's pretty dope. Yo, for real, I'm gonna put the link to this exact package that I got in the description because this is actually mad stuff. I paid about the whole thing was like $640 without tax, and then I got a 3-year warranty for about $56 with tax. Everything brought me to around $700-ish with the warranty, everything, which is not bad. This is a lot of stuff. I didn't even get to the camera yet. So yeah, we got this 0.43 times professional wide lens macro lens. It says 58 millimeters. That's pretty dope. I'm gonna just open it up. Everything else, might as well open this. I got this nice little cloth bag, and this feels like a pretty good lens. Honestly, this feels pretty good. Like it has some like girth to it. Oh, okay. This is pretty sick though. Whoa. Okay. Let's get to the rest of this. And then we got a telephoto professional lens, 2x2 times professional lens. Okay, 58 millimeter. Okay, cool. Slow beat up a little bit, but it's okay, it's fine. Oh, so this is like extra zooming in, like if I want to get really close, I see. Cool, little baggie right here. And boom. Cool. Alright. 2 more things. This is crazy because I have somewhere to go, so I don't know why I feel this guy need to do this right now. But it's cool. And we got this dope tripod. This is pretty cool because you can just hold it like this like if you want to like do the vlogging stuff, or you can like pull it out, you know, and like bend it, like put it on the table or whatever. So this I was definitely looking forward to. It's my other tripod, the big one didn't come in yet, so this is just like a little skinny one from my phone. And we got the camera. This is definitely the best part that I've been waiting for. I'm waiting for this. So this is the Canon EOS Rebel Sl3. Bam. Papers. Alright, manual. Okay. So got the camera. Okay. This is pretty cool. Alright. Boom. Okay, and then put that out right there. So this is what I really need so that I can see myself when I do this, because I can't see myself right now. So this is the best part, I would say. Alright. Yeah. I'm gonna take some pictures. And we have the lens right here. So this is the lens that comes with the camera in the box, and then the other two which is with the package. So that's pretty dope that I have 2 extra lenses now, besides just a stock one. Dope. Boom. Okay. And I'm gonna put it on the camera so you can see. This is what it looks like on the camera. This is pretty dope, no cap. It feels decent, like the material, I mean, it's alright, but I think some really good reviews on this, so I'm gonna do a review of it later down the road, but I'm gonna do a test of how this looks like once I just finish getting through this. So we got the battery, of course, the strap, and it comes with this wall charger to charge the battery. Cool, so this is all of the stuff that came in this box. I'm gonna put the link in the description. Right now we're recording on my Galaxy Note 8 Samsung. So next up you're gonna see you're gonna see the difference between my phone and this Canon SL3. I need to dip, so it's gonna be several hours later when I come back and record this. So, bet. See you soon. And again, next up, it's gonna be the Canon SL3. That's what you gotta see.
Canon SL3, that's what you gotta see. Diggity down that bars, guys. Come on. Alright, go.
6 hours later.
What's good? It's Diggity Dom. We are here trying to finish up the SL3 Canon unboxing review. So this is what it looks like with the Canon SL3. Hopefully y'all can see the focus. I got new lights now, so comment below what you think. Make sure to like, subscribe. But yeah, this is the quality of the Canon SL3. I got this over the M50 because the M50 times out after 30 minutes of recording. Also, this SL3 has a clean HDMI out, which means if you want to live stream, you're not going to see the box around, like for the autofocus and stuff. Like, you can't see it right now, but I can see it right now. And this is my first time ever being able to see myself while recording a video. That's pretty dope. One thing that I like about this camera, I needed to upgrade. I definitely think everything that you get with the camera is pretty dope. And let's get up close and personal so you can really see what it's about, what's going on. You know what I mean? Like, you can kind of really see what's going on with my face right here. Okay, so as I get closer, see it's focusing. I think it's focusing. Focusing. I think so. I'm not sure. It's focusing. Focus. Boom. There we go. So that's pretty dope. I mean, let me see if I move a lot. Yeah, I think it's doing pretty good. I mean, comment below what you think. I think it's doing pretty dope. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. I really need these subscribers, y'all. Please make sure to do that. Show your support. Let me know what you think of this video, and would you buy it? I'm gonna put the link to this package below so you can purchase it. Like, comment, subscribe. Remember to get Diggity with Dom, and let's do this, y'all. I forgot to mention that this is the audio that comes straight out the camera. So what you're hearing right now is the SL3 audio. I'm probably gonna get a mic at some point ASAP, waiting in the mail. When that comes, you will hear what it sounds like. You are upgrading with me on this journey. Please remember to get Diggity with Dom if you want to donate to the Diggity with Dom funds in order to keep providing videos and have dope equipment. Cash App, Dom G BLM, Venmo, Dom G BLM. Don't forget to subscribe. Diggity.